So let's go to where your walker is. And what you're gonna do, I'm gonna spin this around. We're gonna stand sideways to the sink. Your left hand will be on the sink. That's it. And you're gonna sidestep down the length of the countertop. Perfect. So your left hand touches as much as you need. And then when we're coming back, the right hand will be on the countertop. Beautiful. Now we'll sidestep back.
I've been sidestepping on the couch.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, and even, I mean, at this point, you might even just use the wall in the hallway. Okay, so now this one's gonna be a little bit different. Like that was a piece of cake. Give yourself a little more room, and I want you to cross one foot in front of the other. You can use both hands on the countertop. So cross left over right, and do it again. And so, you know, when people are walking, most of the time you're going to do great walking straight ahead and having well-lit, you know, environment and walking on a flat surface. People get into trouble. Now we're going to go back. You're right in front of the left. People get into trouble when they have to step across the midline,
Yep.
when they have to change directions, when they're doing something unusual or unexpected. So the more we can practice it in a controlled environment, the better chance we have. Now, the left foot is going to step behind the right foot. We're going to go sideways again. You got it. Try to keep the toes pointed forward if you can. Yeah, makes it a little bit tighter. There we go. Move a little closer to the counter for me. There you go. And now coming back, right foot behind the left. Nice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this little step stool here. Once you get down to this end, I want to put that left foot on the top step. It's a big step up. We're not going to stand on it. We're just going to put it up there.
Let me pull my drawers.
Okay, let's start on the first step. Straighten your foot so it's pointing straight ahead. And you're just going to kind of lean into it. You're going to get a little stretch through the knee, then you lean back. Let's do about 5 of these, and then we'll try to put it on that top step again. We'll see if this loosens you up a little bit. What does it feel like?
Don't feel like anything right
Good.
now.
Can you slide that left toe back a little? There you go. That's it. I mean, that's great range. You know, you're hitting at least, you're going past 90 degrees.
I feel a good stretch when I go in.
Yeah.
Right there.
So let's see if we can get on the top step. That's all right. Let's just stay on that bottom step, straighten that left foot out. And we're going to do 5 more, and then we'll sit down and take a break. We'll do the rolling pin for a little bit.